Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salsa chips at home. First, gather your ingredients: about 12 corn tortillas, a quarter cup of cooking oil, and your preferred spices like salt, chili powder, or cumin. Ensure your tortillas are fresh for the best texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly crispy chips, ready for your favorite salsa. Next, prepare your tortillas. Stack about 6 tortillas at a time and cut them into 6 or 8 equal wedges, like pizza slices. Uniform sizing is key for even cooking, ensuring every chip gets perfectly crispy. Alternatively, for a fun twist, you can use a cookie cutter to create unique shapes, making your chips stand out at any gathering. Now it's time to cook your chips. Toss the tortilla wedges with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and your chosen seasonings until evenly coated. For baking, spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, flipping once. If frying, heat oil to 350 degrees and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crisp. These homemade chips are perfect for any occasion, offering a fresh, crispy alternative to store-bought options. Serve them warm with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or a creamy dip. They are incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. For an even easier cleanup after your snack, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made salsa chips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.